Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to remove the rear bulbs on your Mercedes C-Class. Now the first thing you need to do is open the boot or the trunk, and the bulbs that we're going to be taking out are on the left hand side here, on the passenger side on this vehicle. And there's a link above now about the battery location and how to check the battery on your Mercedes C-Class. So the first thing you need to do is just remove this protective cover, which is a very simple job. Just pop it out of the side there and just lift it away. And then what you do is you turn this lever 90 degrees and that literally unlocks the entire bulb cluster. Then you can just pull it in towards the car, and there we go. That is where all your bulbs are. There is a link above now about how to open the bonnet or the hood on your Mercedes C-Class. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just put this bulb cluster back where it came from. So what you do is just make sure you line it up with the bulbs. So you don't try and force it in. It should just line straight up with the holes as the bulbs pop through. Make sure that locking lever in the middle is in the upright position as you push it home. So let's just turn that, push it in, and then lock it in by turning it 90 degrees. And there we go, the bulb cluster is now locked in. And there's a link above now about the fuse box locations and how to check the fuses on your Mercedes C-Class. And then what you need to do is just put that cover panel back on. It just tucks inside the plastic trim there. And there we go. And I tell you what, even doing that small amount of work has made me very thirsty. It's definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here for more how-tos, helpful tips and life hacks. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.